Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a contact in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the person icon on the right panel. When you hover over it, it says contacts. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select the plus create contact button right here. And at this point, enter in their first and last name, the company and job title if applicable. Email address is mandatory in there, as you would expect. Phone number, birthday, and any specific notes you want to add for that contact. And then once you're done making those selections in there, you would select Save. And then once you're done, if you close out of here or click the back arrow, you should see them appear in the contact list page here. And you click options such as if you want to email them, schedule a meeting, open up a chat session, or open up a video Google Meet session as well. So pretty straightforward process on that. If you ever wanted to delete them, you just could select that icon and then select the trash bin icon that says delete from contacts. This contact will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. Select move to trash, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.